ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಚೇರಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಹಾರ ನಿವಾಸ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಪೋಲ್ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬಿಜೈ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಭಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿತು. ನೂತನ ಕಚೇರಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಬಿಜೈ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಚೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಬೃಹತ್ ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆ ಜಾಥಾ ನೆರವೇರಿತು. ನೂತನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಪೋಲ್ ಕುಡ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬಿ ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ, ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಕೆ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಇತರ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಸೇರಿ ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿ ದೀಪ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲಿಸಿ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೆರವೇರಿತು. ಬಳಿಕ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಕೆ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಪೋಲ್ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಜೆಎಸ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್, ಡಿಜಿಎಂ ಶೈಲೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಶೀತ್, ಆರ್ಒ ಹೆಡ್ ಉಮಾಶಂಕರ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಒಜಿಎಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಸಿಒ ಸಿಬಿಒಎ ರಮೇಶ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್, ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿಗಳಾದ ರವಿ ಪಿಂಟೋ, ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
but that has become old and obsolete. Then we thought that thanks to our Ravi and also Mr. Nayak for their visionary this one. He always used to tell me that we wanted to have our own holiday home at Mangalore. So thanks to both of them. I don't take much of your time. I really hats off to these guys. Because of them, only today we are having a very cozy and beautiful holiday home come CBOI office. In fact, this holiday home and office space also is going to be utilized more by our retirees only. Because you must be knowing, our retirees, they are the most vibrant unit in the entire CBROA. Every week they used to conduct meetings. Every week, religiously, they will assemble in the CBOA office and they conduct meetings. And also our CBOA unit is also
rare opportunity. In fact, I have been, most of the people are knowing that I have been transferred and relieved also. And so relieved person don't have much work. And people are waiting for the new GM, new management. It is always there. But Ramesh Naik, with a close association of Ramesh Naik for the last 2 years, I could not say no. So that is why I am here today. Ramesh Naik, thank you for inviting me for this function. And I felt that it is an opportunity to meet the General Secretary and other office bearers also on this occasion. When it was required, and when we retire, we will understand the importance. When we are in the power, we don't understand. When we are in the service, we don't understand what is what. When we retire, we will understand the importance. That's the reason Ramesh Naik definitely has done. He has a very good work by inaugurating this holiday home. It is more required by the retired staff than the existing staff member. And we are having holiday home here. I used to receive a lot of telephone calls. Sir, room is full and it is as per the guidelines, it is 30 days. People are booking on the 12 o'clock night. Immediately after 12 o'clock for 30 days they are clicking. And in the morning, if you want to work, any of days are there, 25 days are there, you will not get it. And then so many people have used to contact me. Then what we have done in Mangalore, we have one flat, very good furnished flat in the holiday home. It's called guest house. And I told my people, don't link it to the head office. And because if you link, someone will book. And I don't have any authority over it. And that used to give to the so many people I have given. At least some people, for people used to.
Our the general manager has already told that these are the things we should take care. So Canara Bank Officer Association and the management, they are part of one coin. And both has to go together. Then only it is possible. And if you might have seen, most of the call given by the top management, Canara Bank Officer Association is wholeheartedly there after the business. I have seen so many groups are there. And that is the motto of Canara Bank Officer Association. That's why so much of member you are having. Because until and unless we are working for the bank, it is almost difficult. Because if bank is there, then only it is possible. So that's recently you might have seen that our MG sir has given a call for that is each one source 10. And all the members, including here in Mangalore Circle, 100% people have given that. That is the success of customer connect. Yes, rightly of late, if you will see, the customer service and the connect with the customer has gone down. But now, as a Canrite, as a Canpal, it's our duty to take care, because so many other banks are there, other peer banks are there, though they are marching ahead.
Unfortunately, he could not realize there is some universal force, that is the nature. I may be very strong as the boatman, I may be extraordinarily skillful rowing the boat, but still, if the nature does not support me, it is going to be very, very difficult. 118 years of Canara Bank. If today we are claiming ourselves that we are 25 lakh crores of business, and in the last 2 years we added about 5 lakh crores of business, and CASA percentage reached almost 4 lakh crores, there is an invisible power, an invisible force always blessing us, that is our Amembal Subbarao Pai, my dear friends. Across the country, wherever I go, I advocate this particular theorem. Our founders, either it is Canara Bank or erstwhile syndicate, their blessings are so strong on these particular institutions. That is why even after 118 years, we are able to progress very well. Let us give a warm round of applause to our founders, my dear friends. When I took charge as the General Secretary of this great organization, you listen to me.
And I thank you, Rameshji. He always supported from the last 1 year, and he has never objected and never rift between me and Ramesh Nayaji. And he always supported the RO for garnering more business. So thank you all the RO Bangalore staffs for their support in growing the business. As our RO has grown more than 1,200 business in this financial year. So thank you all, and thank you CBOA for